So it might
crack that was open, it might just go
right in your face.
So it's foamy.
I just entered this conversation. I'd be like,
new house bit.
did you get his name?
Specifically the
He's a little foamy and he can crack right.
furnace fan. So the people that own the house,
What are we doing now?
we're going to try not to get covered with oil. We've loosened the upper plug. And we're going to loosen our lower
Luna! Hi! Hi, Luna. All right. So Grant's doing the drain down here. Luna's inspecting.
You're white, that's probably not a good thing for you to do. You're going to get oil on you.
Your stuff on eBay website? You sent me like 9 offers.
Now, I've cracked both. I
Uh-huh.
don't have any oil coming out yet.
You what?
I don't have any oil coming out yet, but I'm going to open the top.
To get relief pressure.
Yep. And it may spit.
Look out, it might spit.
And I'm like, no. And then 2 days later, she sends me an offer for $450 again. I'm like, what the fuck is wrong with you? I should have bought.
Do it.
So then tonight,
Ooh, there we go.
Ugly, ugly. Let's look at our magnetic.
Oh, is there?
Yeah.
There's schmutz.
I'm like,
There's schmutz.
man, I'm like, I'll go look and see if I can get a
Schmutz.
box and put it in that maybe help you.
A little bit of schmutz.
Damn, gear oil stinks.
Gear oil always smells.
This you weigh about 40 pounds. By the end of the run, 32 pairs. Yeah.
All right, so we're draining gear oil.
500 for including shipping.
Might as well put the oil in the engine now.
Okay, oil in the engine now.